All right, this here is a 2007 Ford Expedition. Let's go ahead and remove the climate control. To do that, start with your plastic trim pry tool, and you kind of start here in the top right corner on the sides. So you can wedge that underneath there. That'll pop up, and then just work your way around. There, and that'll all come forward like that. Okay, and then this one here, just push in on the tab and pull backwards. Same with this one. Repeat the process to your cigarette lighter here. Push in and pull that backwards. This guy here, these are a little bit tricky, but basically you push in and then you can move the gray piece over. And then that comes out. Repeat that to this one here on the climate controller. And then this one here. So this one I like to wedge something under here. Okay, lift that over. Then we have 4 bolts on the 4 corners of the climate. Let's remove those. Then here you need a 7/32 socket. And there you have it. Here we have a 9/32 socket. Go ahead and remove those 4 bolts. Those 4 bolts removed. Go ahead and remove those, set them aside, don't lose them. And the radio comes out, it's pretty heavy. Here on the back of the radio, pull out the antenna, push down on the tab, and there you go.